Ever felt overwhelmed by the labyrinth of accounting and tax needs for your enterprise? Are the annual accounts, tax returns, and confirmation statements giving you a headache? Breathe easy. The answer to your troubles is here. Welcome to the world of Creative Business Solutions, your one-stop solution for all your accounting and tax needs. We specialize in preparing your annual accounts, annual tax return or corporation tax return, and ensuring they are submitted promptly to Companies House and HMRC UK, but that's not all. We also take care of your confirmation statements for your small limited company. Now you may be thinking, with so many tasks to handle, will they keep up with the quality? Well, the answer is a resounding yes. We pride ourselves on the satisfaction of our clientele. Over 150 satisfied clients from the UK vouch for our services with over 5-star ratings and positive feedback on popular platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Our expertise doesn't end there. For those who require VAT registration and VAT return submission, we've got you covered. Never again will you have to worry about the complexities of VAT. What sets us apart? It's our experience. Creative Business Solutions brings to the table a decade of diversified experience in UK accounting and tax laws. With us, you are not just hiring a service, but partnering with a team that understands the nuances of the UK market and its financial regulations. In summary, Creative Business Solutions is your trusted partner for all your accounting and tax needs. We handle everything from your annual accounts, tax returns to confirmation statements, and even VAT registrations and returns. With over a decade of experience and a track record of satisfied clients, we are committed to delivering excellence. To embark on a journey of seamless accounting and tax management, get in touch with us today. Dial +9 689 581 2687 or send an email to cbsofficial2019@gmail.com. Say goodbye to all your accounting and tax worries with Creative Business Solutions.